And here's under the hood. Got a lot of stuff done to this. No top mount turbo or anything else. I'm still rocking the stock exhaust manifold here. And I have Tim Herber, GenCoupeStore.com's bigger stuffed turbo right here. Again, I was looking for a sleeper, and that definitely checks that box right there. K&N replica intake I got off of eBay. Thing I like about it is that it uses the stock little air snorkel just like the stock box does, and it goes over here and comes out with the cooler air right in front of the filter. So still very functional, even though people are going to call it a hot ram intake, but it's not. And then I got the regular generic catch cans off of eBay and Amazon. There's the valve cover side right here, and then here's the other one over by the PCV valve side. Got those mounted up nice and good. And then again, here's the ISR intercooler kit piping right here. Then got the tile 50 millimeter blow off valve right here. Sounds absolutely amazing. And then I went ahead and I got the radiator off of eBay, and what do you know, it's a replica of the Mishimoto one. And then I did go ahead and buy the Greddy 1.3 bar radiator cap right here, so it'll help out with cooling when I am out on the track racing it. Then I have a got the grounding kit from 3.8 Performance, and then totally catless, no cats down there, 3-inch all the way down. I do have my AFR bung down there welded onto the downpipe. And then right there, that's my throttle body spacer with my AEM water meth injection kit. Not too many people can see that and know what that is until I let them know what it is and what it does. That's about it for the under the hood. Things you can't see is the 525cc fuel injector clinic injectors to help out with the stuffed turbo, and then well, it's still the stock ECU, but it's from Tim Herber at GenCoupeStore.com.